CloudKicks Limited is a public cloud company that provides sovereign AI infrastructure for the European market. This video describes our agentic workbench for creating customer and staff service chatbots. Today I'm going to show you how to build a custom chatbot for your company using CloudKicks. Whether you're supporting customers, helping internal teams, or enabling smarter self-service, CloudKicks Chatbot Builder makes it easy to train an AI on your documentation so your users get accurate answers instantly. The first thing you'll need to do is register an account with CloudKicks. Go to saas.cloudkicks.com/auth/register to create your account. You will need to verify your email. Simply follow the link we sent you to confirm your account. You can now log in with your email and password. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the membership page. From here, go to the store and install the ML Workbench and Contacts app. The first thing you'll need in creating your custom chatbot is an API key. The API key is a crucial security feature. It acts like a digital ID that allows your chatbot to securely connect to your CloudKicks account and access the correct data. Go to the ML Workbench, and then from here, click Setup and Address API Keys. Click on Create Address API Key. We'll need to give it a name, so Token API Key, and click Save. Your API key has now been generated. Copy it and store it somewhere secure. I'm going to paste it here into a notepad and save it for later. Before our chatbot can speak, it will need a memory, a corpus of trusted knowledge sources. For this example, we've curated a collection of JRR token specific websites and PDFs. Click on Corpora. First, paste the API key we created earlier into the Corpora management section at the top. Then click Submit. And create corpus. Paste in your API key and give it a name. We recommend using the default settings from there. You will need a URL for every document you wish to include. Use one link per line and save it as a .text file. Click Choose File, and then from there you can upload your sources. Click Create, and our application will begin extracting the information from your sources. To review your sources, click on Manage, and from there you can see all the sources that you have included. Now that we have our information sources, we can begin building our chatbot. Go to the Contacts application, and from there click Manage, and AI, then Chatbots. Finally, click on Create Chatbot. Give it a name. And then next, you will need to find the API key that we created earlier and paste it in. Next, we'll attach the sources of information or corpus that we created earlier. The Chatbot GUI section is where we design the chatbot and how it'll appear on our website. The welcome text is the first thing the user will see. The layout can be a window or a widget. We can customize the text color, the button color, the background, and the positioning. We can even customize what the button says. All of these customization options ensure that the chatbot integrates into any style website. The LLM section is where you set the brains and personality of your chatbot. You're choosing how your AI behaves, how much it can say, and how tightly it sticks to the facts. Max output tokens determines the length of the response. Temperature controls how creative or strict the AI is with its responses. The system prompt is where you define the core personality of the chatbot. This tells the AI how it should behave at all times. The user prompt is added silently to every question the user asks. It keeps the AI from guessing or making up information that isn't in the corpus. The embedding section is where your chatbot learns from the content you've uploaded. It is important that you select the same encoder that your corpus uses here in the encoder section. It controls how the AI stores, understands, and retrieves the knowledge, like its long-term memory. We recommend that you use the default settings here. After you've created your chatbot, click on its drop-down menu and click Website HTML. You can see here that it has generated some HTML code. We're going to paste this into a notepad again, and then save it as a .html file. When you open this file, we can then begin testing it locally. You can see here that the chatbot is opened in our web browser, and we can begin asking it questions. So for example, when was Token born? You can see here an answer is generated, telling us that he was born on the 3rd of January, 1892. Let's give it a follow-up question. You can see here that a broad question gives quite a broad answer. But most importantly, we can see that it refers to sources in its answer. Because you can save and interact with this locally, it is a great opportunity to test out in real time and verify that it references your documents correctly. Clicking on the source will bring you to the document it is referencing. When you're happy with your chatbot's performance, you can integrate it very easily into any website. You can see here, with the test website we've created, the chatbot was easily integrated. If at any point you need further information, the CloudKicks platform has helper text. Simply click on the question mark, and you will be given a written explanation of every section and every parameter. Creating professional customer or staff support chatbots will require expert configuration of the parameters and careful curation of the corpus of data. CloudKicks will be delighted to assist you in perfecting your particular use case. We have expertise in multilingual chatbots and chatbots that interact with APIs and databases. Want to know more? Contact us at sales@cloudkicks.com. I hope you found this video useful, and good luck building your first chatbot with cloudkicks.com.